In this video, I'll show you how to turn off comments on your Instagram post. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the Instagram app on your phone, then go to your profile at the bottom left. Select the post that you want to turn off comments for. Then once you're inside this post, what you will do is tap on the three dots at the top. Then you will select Turn Off Commenting. As you can see now at the bottom, it's going to say that comments are off and you won't see the comment icon, meaning that no one will be able to comment on this specific post on your Instagram. If you want to turn on your comments, what you can do is to simply go back and enable Turn On Commenting. Now the comment icon is back and anyone can comment your post or videos. Keep in mind that if you do want to turn off comments for every single post that you have on Instagram, you have to do it manually by tapping on every single post or reel. Hope that helps.